Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time stumbling on my channel, this is Change Your Look, okay? And on today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the 10 inches ring light. This ring light is beautiful, a lot of upgrade on it compared to our regular ring light that is just plain and the rest. So this, a lot of efficiency on it. I think you guys are going to love it. So if you want to start filming or you want to start doing some Instagram video and the rest, and you're looking for something not too big to use to do your filming, I think this 10 inches ring light is something you should look into. It looks beautiful. It's very nice. I think you guys are going to love it, and I'm going to be leaving the link in the description section, so don't hesitate to check it. If you want to order it, you can just click on the link, then you can order the ring light. And we're going to dive into the video right now. But before we do so, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please again support me by subscribing to my channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do upload new videos every week. So if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please again, make sure you subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on. So without taking too much of your pretty time, let's dive into the video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So we're just going to unbox it. And this, I think this is the tripod. I think this is going to be very beautiful. It's going to be nice for whoever that want to start a YouTube channel or want to start filming from home or doing any live, and you don't actually want something to be. This looks very good. And this is the bag where the tripod came in. So you can see that this can actually go into a little box. Maybe you want to travel or so, this can actually go into a little box if you want to travel. All you need to do is just to package it the same way it came, like this, and put it. Oh, this is nice. Now this is really nice. What this does, this thing here, is to show if your camera is actually, if your phone is kind of bent, it will show you when it's straight. So if this thing is in the middle, you will know that your phone is actually straight. And if it's bending, you know that your phone is not straight, it's bending. So this is really very good. So this is 50-inch long. Okay, it's obvious. So but right now I don't want it to be too long. I'm just going to move it downward again so I can set it up and then be able to show you guys. If not, it will be too long for me to. But don't worry, along the line I'm going to show you guys the full length of it, and I'm also going to film with it for you guys to actually see how it looks like. This is really very nice. It's very nice. Okay. Whoa, see? Do you see that? Unlike our regular ring light, it doesn't have all these effigy. It doesn't have a. So you can move your, see, it turns 360 degrees. See, it turns 360 degrees. So anyhow you want to use it. Do you see that? Do you see that? Don't worry, when I'm done putting everything together, you'll see how nice it looks. It's really very nice. Unlike all the other ring light I've actually used, I've not seen anyone that actually works like this anyway. But let's go further by unboxing. Oh, here is the ring light. Here is the ring light. I'll show you guys the back. So here is the ring light. You can see that it's actually portable. This is really very nice, and it has the USB. So you just have to plug it into a USB port and it will charge. It will charge, and then I'll just, after I set everything anyways, I'm just going to film with it and show you guys how it actually works. So when you get yours, you don't have to stress yourself and it came with a leaflet, so I think this will be able to even give you a guideline on how to operate it. Operating instruction, yeah. So it has a leaflet in the pack, but I'm still just going to show you guys how this actually works, but it actually has a guide on how to set it. And I'm just going to open this one. Oh, it's got a Bluetooth also, so if you put it on your phone, you can actually snap with it. So it even came with the USB charging head. This is really good. First time I'm seeing a ring light coming with USB charging head. They don't do that. They just bring it like this, and you find a way to get a USB charging head to connect to it. But this, it actually came with it. This is really a very, very nice one. And just for the record, I wasn't paid to do this review. I bought this with my own money because I'm actually looking for something small that I can actually work with, and if I want to travel or go out, something a little bit not on the very smaller side, but something that can actually go into a luggage. And this looks beautiful. Immediately I saw it on Amazon, I decided to order it. The reviews are great, so I decided to order it. It looks good to me. I know that it's going to work very well because I've used a lot of ring lights. If you check through my channel, you're definitely going to see from 18 inches, 14 inches, 10 inches. Sorry, I've not done 10 inches before, 8 inches. You will see the reviews on my channel. I will always review whatever I think is good. So if it's not good, I'm not bringing it to you guys, because I know you guys believe and trust in me. That's the reason why you will come here and watch and decide to buy. So I don't want you to like order something at the end of the day you think you're not cool with. But this is really very good. It's very, very good. So I'm just going to set it up for you guys to actually see how it works. And before I forget, not just phone, you can actually use it to, you can use your camera on it. So I've never seen a ring light that actually carries camera that is this small. Seriously, you can use your phone and you can use your ring light, and this is really good. I love it. I love it a lot. It looks very, very good. So this is the head. You put it like this, and then you just, there is a round stuff at the back that you can actually use. You don't need to roll this. You don't need to roll this. You just, I still have that old ring light method on my head, but you don't need to roll it. You just do it like this, so it's nothing. What I just showed you is how to use it without the ring light. If you want to use it with the ring light, what you do, you just, okay, let me move it this way. Then you put it, the same method, you come to the back, this round stuff here, then you just roll it. So firm. Let me raise my camera a bit more. Okay, so this is very firm now. You can see what I'm talking about. If the thing is well firm, you will see, just take a look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. You can see that it's in the middle, so it's actually telling you that this thing is actually straight. It's straight, so that is what this is telling you, and it's really very good. So you don't end up filming and you see your whatever looks like this. So it just show you, it shows that this is straight. So let's move further. And now you are actually using it with the ring light, and we're just going to put this into it. And now, instead of using, you know when you were knotting the first one, you use this one under to knot it. But right now, since you're putting it on top of the ring light, I think you use this. You just use it to tighten it. So it's set right now. So I'm just going to show you how, I've already showed you guys how to actually put the phone though, but I'm just going to show it again. So you put your phone with it, so you can see how it actually look when you put your phone with the ring light. So this is it. This is how it looks. What I can do next is to extend the legs. You can move it 360 degrees. What I normally do on my ring light unboxing, I like to swap, then use the ring light to actually film. If you guys are okay with that, I will just do that right away. Because of this light, I'm staying behind it. You could see that you could hardly see me right now. But what I will do now, I'm just going to swap, turn off my own light, the light I'm actually using, then use this to film so you guys can actually see how good the brightness is. So right now I'm filming with the ring light. I'm just going to keep changing the light for us to see the shades that it actually have. I'm just going to turn it on and then let's switch the light. Okay, this is another one. The first one was different and this is another shade of the light. And this is, I think I like this one more because this one is kind of, I think this is daylight. This is it white light or daylight? I think this is daylight because this is very, very white. And this is another shade again. I don't know what this is called, but it has different shades. This is the orange kind of, is this the off-white, or there's a name they normally call these shades of white, but I don't know. But I've just been changing different shades for you guys to see, and this is another one. I like this one so much. It looks very good. So the good thing about this ring light is that I can actually go into a luggage. Your little traveling bag can just go in. Your hand luggage, it can easily go in. You want to travel, I want to do a professional shoot, and you don't just want to carry something too big. This is something very perfect to really work with. And secondly, what I love about this again is that you can also use camera on it. Even though you can use phone, you can also use camera. So if you're filming with camera, you're thinking of what can I go out with, travel with, since I'm using a camera. I never knew that ring light, this size of ring light, can actually carry camera, but yes, they have it can actually carry camera, so you can also use it with your camera, you can use it with your phone. And to those, just a little thing to chip in, to those who are actually saying, I want to start a YouTube channel, I want to start filming, I want to start doing this, you want to do anything related to social media, and you're like, oh, I don't have a camera now, I don't know how it's going to work, it's going to take time for me to get money to buy camera. Since I start my YouTube journey, it's been like more than a year now, if I'm not mistaken, it's more than a year now. I've been using my phone, seriously. At first, I wanted to like get a camera. I was telling myself that I'm going to get a camera before I start. But you know what? You don't actually need a camera to start. By the time I post my video after editing, you won't actually realize that I actually use my phone to film this video. So it's just, I'm just trying to encourage someone out there who wants to go into YouTube, who wants to try to go into social media, and who wants to be filming, coming live and doing live videos and the rest, and you've been discouraged. You're looking for, oh, I have to have this for me to do this. No. Whatever phone you're using right now, provided it's Android, it's very good to go. Just depends on what you are publishing to the people. I've seen a YouTuber who have a lot of subscribers. Me, I'm even just coming because I just actually started, who have a lot of subscribers, but they still say they use their phones. So what are you not saying? It just depends on what you are putting out there and who are your audience and what they want to see. A lot of people on social media want to see the real us. This is who you are. Don't come up and try to do too much editing for us not to even recognize you when we see you on the street. So I think for someone who wants to start a YouTube channel or wants to go into social media, who wants to be doing a live video or something, I think this is more than enough for you to start. Is the ring light, the 10 inches ring light, the Sunup, is it Sunup or I don't know, but it's S-U-N-U-P, the 10 inches ring light that I'm actually using right now, and it's gorgeous to me. Seriously, it's very, very gorgeous. And there is one thing I missed that I didn't actually show you guys on this video, but I'm just going to switch and put my phone on the other ring light so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. So when you get it, you don't get confused, because I actually forgot to mention it. What I actually did was to scroll this. When you move it, it goes down. So if you want to use it short, over here, you just screw this knot over here. If you want it tall, all you can do is to, so this is it. You can see it's very, very nice. Look at it. You want to film, you pull it backward, how you normally film, pull it backward, and voila, you're filming already. You've got all you need. 10 inches is more than enough. Seriously, sweetheart, 10 inches is more than enough. So guys, that is it about the 10-inch ring light unboxing. Hope you guys love it. If you do love it, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment. You know how much I want to read all of your comments. Please drop a comment in the comment section below. I'll be just there to reply all of your comments. And please, if you've watched this extent, you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Are we not friends anymore? Please support me by hitting on that subscribe button and then press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please and please again support me by subscribing to my channel and make sure your notification bell is on. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Bye.